Hello everyone, I am Santosh Shokonda Ondram. I am from Sangli. Today date is 24 November 2021. Today topic is break and continue. We have discussed break and continue statements in the Java. The break and continue statements are the jumps statements that are used to skip some statement inside the loop or terminate the loop immediately without checking the test condition. These statements can be used inside any loops, which as for while loop, do while loop, for loop, break. We discussed firstly break. The break statement in Java is used to terminate from the loop immediately when a break statement is encountered inside a loop. The loop iteration stops there and control the returns from the loop immediately to the first statement after the loop. Basically, break statements are used in a situation when we are not sure about the actual number of iteration for the loop. Or we want to terminate the loop based on some condition. In Java, break statement is majorly used for to exit a loop used civilized from go to terminates a sequence in a switch statement. Using break to exit a loop. Using a break, we can be force some uh, immediate termination of loop bypassing the conditional expression and any remaining code in the body of the loop. When we use a break inside the nested loop, it will be only break out of the innermost loop. Using break as a form of goto. Java does not go to statement because it provide a way to branch in an arbitrary and unstructured manner. Java uses a label. A label is used to identify a block of code using break to terminate a sequence in Java switch statement. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an easy to dispatch execution of different parts of code based on value of expression. The break statements used inside the switch to terminate a statement sequence. The break statement is optional. If omitted, execution will be continue on into the next course. Continue. We discuss second point is continue. The continue statements in Java is used to skip of current iteration. We can use a continue statement inside any type of loop such as for, while and do while loop. Basically, continue statements are used in situation when we want to continue to the loop but do not want to remaining statement after the continue statement. Difference between using continue a loop. Using continue, we can skip the current iteration of the loop and jump to next iteration of the loop immediately. We difference between break and continue. Break is the terminate the loop in termination, and continue is the skip the current iteration. Break is used in switch. Continues does not use in switch. Break. Thank you.